to another Divi WordPress tutorial. In the last video I showed you how to hide these icons on an accordion, or this one applies for any icon. So you see a few icons here and there, and maybe we want to change it. Maybe we don't want it to be a plus symbol. So let's find out how to do that. So if we come in here and we right click on that and we click inspect, we can do the inspection on Firefox or Safari, or Chrome, excuse me. On Safari, just type in how to download Firefox or Chrome. So we come in here and we see we come up here and we can toggle the selector tool. Now once we've got the select tool, we will click on that, and now it highlights a line of code, which is basically the line where the plus symbol is. So we can see that if I click on this one, or if I click on that, doesn't do anything, but if I click on this one, it highlights the icon, and we can see that we've got an icon, and if you want to check it, you can change the color, and we can see that it changes the color. So we've found where the icon is in the CSS by using the inspector tool, and now we're in the CSS. So we want to change the icon. So Divi comes with a bunch of icons, and most of them I just end up using because they're pretty straightforward. So if you just type in Divi icons, and then we can come down here, and it's this link here has all of the CSS codes. So Divi icon codes, and then we can pop in here, and basically we can now select whichever icon we want. These are all Divi icons, so let's just say for some reason we want the thumbs up. So we can highlight this code and copy it, and we can come across here and we can just double check by placing this code where the old content was. And we enter that, and we can now see that we've got green thumbs up. So that works. So what we want to do is we want to copy this, because this is our CSS class, and let's come to a new page. I'll show you how to get into the CSS. So we go to our dashboard, and then we go to appearance, and we go to customize, and then we go down to additional CSS, and now we can come in and we can paste in that value. We want to do some curly braces, and then what we were looking for was content, and then let's go grab our icon code. So let's change it to a cup of coffee. And once we change that to the cup of coffee, and we put it into some quotation marks, we can now see that we have a nice cup of coffee here. And that is how you change your accordion icons. So if I come in here and refresh this, boom, now we have our cup of coffee. Sometimes it does, I have had glitches with it where where they won't stay there. So if that does happen, just jump back in the CSS and change it again. But basically you can replace it with any one of these icons here. So you can replace it with a negative icon. You can get fancy and replace it with a negative icon once it's open, or a skyscraper or a calculator, whatever you would like. All right, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.